Here I have ALCATEL Pop 4 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's use apps icon, then choose settings, scroll down to the bottom of the list, and here you have to find and select about phone. Then from the following list you need to scroll down again and tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back and right here above about phone you've got developer options. Let's tap it. So here you can use the following features. For example, you can enable OEM unlocking just by using this switcher. You can also enable USB debugging, tap OK, and you can use other developer stuff such as select debug app, select mock location app, or for example enable bug report shortcut. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.